ka jingyo positive tang sangut ha ka nik sibalang kala a jingkermen nya ka chala borok away khamtam ha ka ba ka jingdon ki bokoi kala poi hadu halaingon ha ka nik ka ju singi kumbolong hadu menta ka jingdon ki boyo yo covid ha borok away ka chala kalong sanspa nyu pu angon katba ki bala koi pat kala poi saka aspa nyu ngot
kini ki positive case po Meghalaya ka jungi menta ka singi ku arpon daitrik Julai arpo ngidon nang santli po es ka sales are tactic the armed forces na riboy ngidon tangi way but the West Garo Hills ngidon artly bro ar gidina BSF. The active cases, the total active cases in the state of Meghalaya today we have 572. The breakup is like this: the BSF are 246, the civilians are 291, the armed forces 35, the recovered till today the recovering cases they are 207, and the deceased are 5. Kini kilong ki active cases borok bangidon menta hag state Meghalaya ke jungi kilong hadu sanspa new pu arngot ki BSF ngilong aspa sa hunriu ki civilian kilong aspa kan lai puwai dan ta ki armed forces kilong lai pusan ki bala jam hadu menta kilong aspa nyongut bat ki bala khlano kilong sangut kini kide ki break up jong kane ke COVID-19 status apo state of Meghalaya ke jungi